Assalamualaikum, beloved Huzur.
Waalaikum salam.
My name is Fadli. Right now, I'm running a business in education system, and I'm the CEO of the company. And I serve Jamaat as well. For a Waqf now, which one we should choose? Working fully and professionally, full-time in Jamaat and get allowance, a good allowance, or we can do it part-time Waqf and running a business to support ourselves. Jazakallah.
See, you can see your own conditions. If you can spare some time for the Jamaat, at least the weekends should be given to the Jamaat. If you are doing your full-time job and it requires your full-time attention in that particular field or your job, then you continue with that. Right? But on the weekends, you should also give some time to the Jamaat for the Jamaat work.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Or if you think that you can spare some time during the weekdays even and reduce the time given to your own business, then that would also be good. So you will have to decide on your own. What is on your ears? Other side. Is there anything? No? It's just a light. I thought you are using earrings.
Yeah. It's the light, Huzur.
Acha, light. Acha, you have very shining ears. Acha, mashallah.
Then it's a good thing. Thank you, Huzur.
Okay, right. So you have to decide on your own. But at the same time, make sure that you must give some time, at least 6-7 hours a week to the Jamaat.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, Huzur. Right.
And how to do justice with it, then it is up to you. Okay?
Okay.
Right.
Yes, Huzur.
Next. Now you pass on the microphone to the back side. Yes, stand up, yes. Quick. Now last question, now time is short.